nandito na kami sa area ng Sonoma. So as we are traveling, you can I observe that there's a lot of grape farms. Correction lang, I keep saying a while ago that it's a grape farm. No, it's a vineyard. I was corrected by my brother-in-law. What?
Go ahead.
Yeah, tama naman, right? It's a vineyard. I was corrected, but I really accept that correction kasi I should be corrected. Yeah. So the Oak Knoll Avenue, is that what you're trying to? Oh, the Triffiton family vineyard. Yeah.
Vineyards.
Yeah. So I think we are going to there's
Oh, that side too. See, look.
yeah, I cannot shut that side because of I'm on I might there's a lot of tawag dito, obstruction of the views. Yeah, but I think this side is far better. Yeah, the mountains.
Why the mountain is like
Yeah, it's me. I have a fan of mountains. Like every time I see one, it kind of give me that what do you call it? How did I say it? Brings back memory when I was in the Philippines. Yeah. Yeah. Tingnan mo yung wow. Colorful din, most especially ngayon lang sila talaga nag-change yung color ng mga mga puno, yung mga dahon ng mga puno. Yeah, but look at that, those trees, different colors. Yeah, probably in Toronto right now there's no more leaves. So but yeah, look at that, So guys, hi, we are here. Wow, ganda ng lugar. The place is really nice. Yeah. So look at that. If you can see there on top, I think we're going there to check the area. So guys, yeah, we're back again here. I just wanna scan this house. It's like a villa. Wow, look at that. It's like looking at the Italian countryside. Okay, so guys, ito na. Papasok na tayo. And then binabaybay na natin itong daanan na ito. Yeah. I think
It's the castle.
it's a castle. Yeah. Wow.
It's like balcony.
Castle. You just park
Point pick
there.
up right side sir.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Tingnan mo yung mga alagang hayop nila, oh.
Kaya ka na mag-pick up. Ask them if iikot muna before picking it up kasi yung dala-dala mo. It's okay? Yeah. Just ask them.
Oh, wow. So cool. Ay, look at that. I don't know what kind. Can I touch it? Huh?
Distance from Imo.
Ay. Yeah. Oh, this is emo.
Here.
Yeah.
Keep.
You said
Yeah.
from emo. So this is emo?
No, it's not. Do not feed or pet the animals.
Yeah. Okay. So guys, actually we're planning to go inside, but I think there's an entrance fee of $60 per head. I want to go inside, but it's about wine, right? And probably you will see some interesting tawag dito? Interesting interior of the castle. But you know, actually ako na rin ang nag-initiate. I initiated and decided to not to go inside anymore because it's I think it's much better to be to outside observe the exterior of the castle. Yeah. So guys, my sister suggested to better go inside kasi worth it daw. So yeah, so we'll do it. I'm gonna go inside. Only me because they have been here for many times. Yeah.
Yeah, doon.
So we'll see here. Parang atang walang bayad. Parang yung ano lang,
May entrance ito.
hindi yung interior, right? Pero going there, wala. Wala, Marilyn.
Picture ka dito.
Oh, please see concierge. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. I mean, this is washroom. Walang bayad na yan. Pag doon lang, pag sa wine tasting. Pero yung mga dito, yeah, for the wine tasting. Pero pag dito, wala, oh. Si concierge? Hindi naman sila nagbayad. I don't think so. Haha, okay. Chapel. Oh, this is the chapel. Wow, look at that. Look at that, guys. This is the chapel. What is that over here? So guys, pasensya na, you know what? I will make a research about this place. Kasi ano I noticed that this is it seems that it's historical. So sorry guys, I'm sorry for my being naive. Like kinda embarrassing, but I have no idea about this place. Yeah. Kasi there's an entrance fee, so I don't know if this part where I'm in is need to pay. Kasi I know that you go inside if you want to explore inside the castle, but somehow this is just a bit part of the exterior. Yeah. So. So this is the washroom. Guys, alam nyo, oh, okay. This is another restaurant here. So self-guided tour. So guys, meet Giacomo. Oh, famous goat. Where's Giacomo? Giacomo. Meet Giacomo daw. Giacomo. Oh, he's not, he's not here. Yeah, but look at the nature, guys. Yung mga puno, ang tataas. It's typical California ambience talaga. You know, that's California. You know. So guys, yan yung castle na
Ang ganda-ganda ng sombrero, sinisira mo.
okay naman.
Iyan, no? Oh, di ba?
Sandali lang. So hi guys, so once again tapos na naman yung ating episode sa Napa. So Napa Valley, right? Ito yung Napa, ito yung mga vineyards. So I'm with my family, si my Ate Merlin and my brother-in-law Pastor Rabin. He's a pastor. So,
We are in a winery.
we are in a winery, right? Say bye.
This is
Bye! Woo! Come visit us, you know?
By the way, what's the name of your church? Where it is
International
located?
Bible Baptist Church of Sacramento, located at 8280 Elk Road, Florin Road, Sacramento, California, 95829. The number of the church is 916-682. Let me say that again, 916-682-4222 or 916-682-IBBC.
Okay guys, so if you made this far, thank you very much. Don't forget to like, subscribe, or comment down below. Thank you, bye.